Okay, this is going to be a quick little Lightroom for this evening. I've already found the photo from back in the summer holidays. I'm going to get this little photo taken on my phone and just try and get it a little bit better. So first thing, I'm going to get there's a lot of haze, so we're wanting to clear up some of that and probably bring in that dehaze. That's going to be a little bit too much. Because if you do too much dehaze, it'll bring in this weird sort of glow around things, which we don't like. So maybe bring that down there. Then we'll go to our light, up the contrast quite a bit, and then I'll also up the shadows. There we go. Then I'm going to go to my color and up the vibrancy and tweak the saturation a little bit. We'll just have a look at how that is now from there to there, and we shall also bring a bit of vignetting in there too, because who doesn't like a bit of vignetting? Except the vignetting's a little bit off, isn't it? Probably because of the colour. And there's still a bit too much of the dehazing going on, so let's put the dehazing out so it's a bit more natural. Then let's go back to our colour and bring up our vibrancy again. That's a little better. And then I think I might just do a little subtle desat. Just to bring that back a little bit. That's quite natural, and that's quite what I look like on the day. So from there to there in 2 minutes. Hope you enjoyed it.